It's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. I'm here to show you a little project that I made with some label kits that I've created, some digital label kits that I've listed on Etsy. There are 3 different label kits. I'll first show you the printouts of the labels from the kits. Each kit comes with 3 pages. This is the random labels kit, and it has vintage style labels, just random different things that you can use in your projects. Here are some stamped words, numbers, some vintage handwriting, that type of thing. These come in very handy for your projects. And then this is blank. Oops, I had it upside down. Some are blank and some aren't, but they're vintage labels that are a lot of fun to use in your projects. And they are a nice large size. You can print them 2 to a page to make them smaller if you need to. So that's the first kit. The second one is called Botanical Apothecary, and again 3 pages. Vintage black and white on a tan background. These 2 are a nice size, but you can print them 2 to a page and make them smaller if you need to. Here's colorful vintage flowers. And some more colorful vintage flowers with some butterflies and other things. So I think these turned out really pretty. And then the third and final kit is called Apothecary Printable Labels. And these are similar, but these are florals, plants, different botanicals. There's herbs in here. So yeah, 3 pages of this. And I will link, I will place the links below in the details if you're interested in checking out the listings for those label kits. Here is a little project that I made with the labels, and I'll be listing this as well. It's an ephemera folder. I made it out of a file folder. I covered it with Took's Craft Tables August Collage Printable Digital. I put some lace on the spine. That helps reinforce it. It looks pretty. And a little wax stamp of a rose. And in the inside there's a little pocket. And then each pocket will have 10 fussy cuts of my labels. So if you don't want to purchase the digital kits and make the fussy cuts yourself, I will be listing these ephemera folders with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. There'll be 80 labels per folder. And yeah, it just makes it nice and easy and convenient that you can just pull them out and use in your projects. So that's it for today. If you haven't already, if you could subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you'll receive notification of all the upcoming videos that I'll be doing. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye for now.